So welcome to our walk-in climate-controlled wine cellar here at our Houston showroom. So this is a great example of mixed-use wine racks. We have almost every kind of storage configuration available incorporated into this wine cellar. So you'll see cork-forward bottles, label-forward, display rows, bulk storage for individual bottles or for wood crates, a pouring station, magnum and large format storage, even some storage for spirits so that you can co-locate all of your libations in one central area. The cellar is climate controlled. There's a Wine Guardian system above the ceiling, fully ducted system with supply and return air being routed through the ceiling. And 2 walls of the enclosure are made in steel glass, custom made in California to our specifications, insulated and thermally broken, perfect for the climate for the wine cellar.